Hello and welcome back to my lawnmower project. So far, I have taken off that part, which shoots the grass out onto the grass. It's got a really nice mechanism there to make it so that it folds up and down if you need to get underneath through the blades for some reason. I am not sure I'm going to save that function or not. I'm going to decide as I go, but what I want is that mechanism to, what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut plastic so that it's got a good chunk left, and then I will set it inside those holes that are left, and I'm going to start using the clay that I've made. It's in another video. If you haven't watched it, click the link, click it. Whatever. If you don't want to know how to make clay, you don't have to. It just helps if you don't want to buy it. Anyway, so once I have the mechanism, and then I'm going to form the clay by going inside the lip, because I don't want the end object to be inside. I want it to be outside. So I'm going to build the clay inside so that it seals that whole area, rests nicely on the little provided ridge lip, which conveniently has a grabby area U-shape, which I like because it'll hold the clay nice for when it's sitting down on it. And what I'll have to do is shave it off a little less. It'll stay on the inside anyway. And then the clay is going to come out from the inside to build a little chute that goes backwards to about here. Alrighty. Then I'm going to take a measurement of that circle, and I'm going to make the output on here the same size as that circle, because this is a Troy built. That, I believe, is starts with a C. Craftsman? Yeah, I believe that's a Craftsman. But that Craftsman hood and those down there, this has got a frame that holds those. They're just to the right, to the front. They're little bins that will hold grass. And if you look on the back here, I've got forks. They're not the correct ones for this lawnmower. They're Craftsman. This is Troy built, but I can get the bottom of it to sit inside. Let's see if I can get close enough to it to show better. That bolt goes down and through a thing. I need to make a more permanent connection there. I don't think I'll weld it because I want it to come off, but you can see I used a little piece of wire, and I used the wagon. I went and got water. Ha ha! Much better than trying to carry a wagon across the grass with 30 gallons of water jugs in it. Anyway, that is the plan. I'm not sure exactly how well it will come come out, but I think I got this one. Got enough clay, I believe. If I don't, I'll make more. I've got the clay ready to go right there. But yeah, that's the project. I'm gonna make an item. Once I've got the clay all formed, I will wrap it in cellophane. Cellophane does not stick to fiberglass. And so I will then, once it's wrapped in cellophane, take fiberglass and wrap all around it, get all around these things, make a nice little knot on top of the mechanism cutout part so that it holds inside the fiberglass and isn't just like on the bottom of it where it can peel out or whatever. I will probably need to leave at least one hole through there so that I can clasp and use a bolt to and washers to create more surface area that holds that top. But that'll be easy stuff. I'll show the bits and pieces as I go, but that's the story so far. I wanted to show you how far along I am. Not very, but the ideas are here and everything is ready to go, so I'm going to get started. Thank you for watching this episode. Tell all your friends, tell your neighbors, tell people on the streets that some weird guy is making stuff out of fiberglass and clay. He's weird, but it's going to work and all that. So if you ever wanted to use the information, there it is. Anyway, goodbye. Have a day.